Hello viewers, you're welcome. In today's tutorial we are going to be solving this beautiful exponential equation. So I would like to have x equals 256 to the power of minus x. I want to get rid of this minus x from here. So what am I going to do? And you know that here we are having this power of x here to be 1. So therefore I can have this like 1 multiplying minus 1 over x, then equals 256, then minus x multiplying minus 1 over x. So now from there you see that this x, we cancel this x, and minus times minus will give us plus. We're going to have x, then minus 1 over x, then equals, here we have 256. So therefore we have actually cancelled out this power, negative power. So from here we have x minus, now here I want to do something here. I can have this to be minus 1, then I have 2 power 1 over s equals, this 256 can be written as 4 to the power of 4. So now from here, from the law of indices that says when you have a to the power of minus 1, this is going to be 1 over what? 1 over a. So I'm going to use it here. So this is going to be 1 over x, then to the power of 1 over x, then equals 4 to the power of 4. So this is, let me do this like this. So we have this. Okay, so now from here, look at this base raised to itself, b raised to itself. So this implies that 1 over x is equals 4. So now we can take the reciprocal. When you say taking the reciprocal of these two equations, it means we want to interchange. That is, this x will go up, 1 will come down, 1 will go up, 4 will come down. So that is reciprocal. So this implies that x over 1 equals 1 over 4. And you know that x over 1 is same thing as 1 over x over 1 is same thing as x, then 1 over 4. So it means that x equals 1 over 4. And that is the solution, right? If you find this class very interesting, please share to your colleagues. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon to be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.